Hello there, welcome back again. I've just having a drive around the island today and I've just come across this beautiful pier and a few little boats. It looks such a stunning scene. It is brightening up. It was a bit dull like this yesterday. We got very similar conditions, a little bit calmer today. I am actually just driving around looking for otters, but I've come across this and I just think it's a pretty scene. So join me shortly. I'm going to set up on some rocks over here and hopefully we get a nice shot of this. It'll probably just be a short vlog, but I do love the scene, so I'm going to stop and I'm going to get it. I'll catch you down here. So I've just got myself out onto a little outcrop of rocks. The tide is coming in, so I'm going to have to be quick here. As you can see down there, it is quite deep, so I'm going to try and be quick because, as I say, this little rock here is getting covered with water. It is coming in. The scene I'm going to shoot is I want to try and incorporate this big boulder with the pier and these boats just out here with the reflection. I'm just going to shoot with the polarizing filter. I'm not going to use a 10 stop or anything like that, and hopefully the shot will come out all right. Let me show you the back of the camera as to what I'm doing. For this shot, I'm concentrating more on the boats and the horizon line than this big rock and the big boulder in the foreground. The polarizing filter, I'm just going to turn to get rid of that glare. Get it round something there, just so you can see into the water. It looks absolutely beautiful, it does. I will do a focus stack on the boulder there and probably on that boat there. The settings for this, just a little bit overexposed because it is quite dark down here, so I want to try and get detail if I can. I'm shooting f11. I'm going to change down from ISO 200 to 100. That's giving me a 25th of a second. I'm going to focus first on that boat there. 2-second timer's on, we'll take the shot. Now I'm going to focus on this boulder, which will give me detail all down in the foreground. Take that shot, I'll merge them together, and here's the shot. So I've just jumped off that rock pretty quick. The water is now covering where I'm coming out from, and literally it's coming in so fast now. It looks beautiful. Under the water looks fantastic here. I've literally just come round to a little bit slightly higher ground. I'm going to try and get this rock now with just the two boats there and the rib, and I will polarize for the foreground yet again, because under the surface looks absolutely fantastic. There's some beautiful seaweed, bright orange and brown. It looks beautiful, it does. This is such a pretty little scene. I'm just going to be quick. I'll talk you through what I'm doing now. I'm just literally polarizers on. The settings for this are ISO 100. I'm just a third of a stop overexposed, just to get full detail down underneath the water, and ISO 100. I'm focus stacking on the black boat there, and again on this rock, which is in the bottom right hand rule of thirds. Focus there, which then will give me detail all in the foreground. Again, as always, the 2-second timer's on to stop any camera shake, and I'll just blend these together in Photoshop. My feet have just started to get wet, so I'm going to move again now. as you can see now, where the big boulder was, it's now off underwater. Where I was standing, literally just 2 minutes ago, is now underwater. I've now come up onto some higher rocks, so at least I'm out of danger with it all now. I've also turned the camera around to face this direction, and I'm loving the detail in the foreground just down here. It looks absolutely beautiful. And again, we've got a beautiful reflection looking straight out over towards where is that? It's the road between Salon and Ulva. Don't know the area. It looks, again, it's so calm and peaceful. Although it's August and the island is busy with tourists, I've come out early. It's currently probably 9:45 now, and they still haven't got out of bed. Why? You know. They are missing all of this. There is an eagle, you're not going to pick it up on here, just skimming across the water. Big massive barn doors for wings. It's a shame he's going the other direction. It would have been great if he'd have come closer. But I'm going to continue with my search now for some otters, and this is a favourite place for them, down by this pier. I have photographed them here before, but I can't see any today. So I think usually you're better off with otters. Literally, a little tip for you, an hour after high tide, and pretty much an hour before low tide, because the pools are full of water and fish and crabs and everything, little octopus, starfish, and that's what they feed on. So I think I've got a couple of hours before really the otters are going to come out feeding. I am surprised I can't see any, because usually any stretch of water on the Isle of Mull and there are otters. So such a pretty place though. Just look at that. Look at that for scenery. Absolutely incredible. Please check out the description below. The links to all the gear that I use and everything. Like, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe. We'll do it all again next week. Here are the photographs. Enjoy and take it easy, and I'll catch you on the next adventure soon.